Hello there. Today, I will show you how to host a Kahoot in the Robot Run game mode. First, choose the Kahoot you wish to host. This could be from your personal library or a public Kahoot available on the Discover page. Next, click on Host Live. Then select Robot Run. You'll have the option to adjust the duration, but we recommend 5 minutes for this particular game mode. Please keep in mind that the Robot Run game mode accommodates up to 40 players and only supports quiz, true, false, type answer, puzzle, and slider types of questions. If your game includes other question types, they won't be displayed during the gameplay. After making the necessary adjustments, click Start, and players can join as they usually do using the PIN or QR code. When everyone is ready, click Start again. A brief tutorial will be displayed. It's important for the players to pay attention to it. However, if everyone is already familiar with the game, you can skip it. During each round, players will be tasked with answering quiz questions in order to escape the robot. Players collaborate to achieve the required number of correct answers before the robot catches them. After the required number of correct answers, players can tap and hold a button to boost their character. Each player has to collect 3 correct answers in order to activate the boost. Reaching the target leads to advancing to the next phase, the minigame. The minigame starts after every round. The blue bar at the top of the screen indicates the time left to complete the task. The number in the top right corner indicates how many lives the players collectively have left before they lose. Players use the virtual joystick displayed on their screens to move their characters into the green safe zone. If players complete the minigame, they will advance to the next level. If they fail, the current level will restart, allowing players to attempt it again until the time runs out. When the time is up, the host screen will present a summary of the game celebrating as many participants as possible based on their various contributions. At the same time, the players will be able to see their achievements on their screens. And that's how you play Kahoots in the Robot Run game mode. Thank you for watching. Remember to leave a comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!